Hello my dear friends, I have a new hairstyle. Write in the comments if it's cool or not. I have here something very special and beautiful. It's Pokemon figures, it's Geodude, it's Glaceon and Charmander. And I wanted to unbox it with you guys, that we can see together how they look and how they feel and move and stuff like this, huh? So let's unbox it. Unbox it. This beautiful Pokemon. Ooh, yeah. So first we have this letter here, and here we can see a lot of different Pokemon from this kind of figurine stuff. Looks interesting. Here is Lugia, and here is this fireman and this sky torso, and yeah, cool stuff. So let's start with Geodude. He's the dude. Yeah, it looks very cool. Oh, okay. He's not movable, but it's very detailed. He looks like a rock. Yeah, like a rock with muscles and with a face. And so here is a standee, so we can stick it in here, and then he can stand here. And then let's see Charmander. Charmander is also very beautiful. He's very detailed. He's very well painted. Look at the eyes and mouth and so, and these little nails here. The flame is also very cute. It's not movable, but it's very nice. So, and now this is one of my also favorite evolutions. My favorite evolution is Vaporeon, and it's Leafeon, and then it's this Glaceon. So she looks very good, also very detailed and very accurate. And look, we can move her legs here, her 4 legs, and here we can move also. And you can pose her like you want. This is like a rubberish, a little bit a rubber style. And also this one's here is like a rubber style. It's plastic, but it's cute here. Also details here, the patterns. Oh, this is not perfect here, you see. But it doesn't matter. It's anyway very cute. I recommend. I don't know how much I pay for this. Maybe about 20 Swiss francs. This is like $20. Yeah, I would say it's very cute. Here you can also see some printed stuff, UK, CA, and so. Also the head is movable. Yeah, it's nice. Cute little figures. Oh yeah, boy. Thanks for watching, my dear friends. Now my hairstyle changed again. Write in the comments below what you think about these beautiful and amazing little Pokemon figures. I like them a lot. And now I will put them somewhere here to the rest of the evolution family. Oh yeah, boy!